In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your blog posts in Shopify. Whether you're new to Shopify or just looking to enhance your current workflow, this guide will walk you through the essentials of navigating the platform to manage your blog efficiently and effectively. So, let's dive right in. To get started, open up your Shopify admin dashboard. This is essentially your control center where you manage everything related to your store, including your blog posts. Make sure you're logged in and have access to your store's admin panel. Once you've reached the home page of your store dashboard, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the navigation menu on the left-hand side. This menu provides access to all crucial areas of your Shopify account. Next, you'll want to locate and click on the Content option in this menu. This section is integral to managing various content-related aspects of your store, such as pages, blog posts, and other media. Clicking here will direct you to an overview of all content-related functionality available in your Shopify store. Once you are in the Content section, direct your attention to the option labeled Blog Posts. Clicking on this will take you to the area where your blog content is centralized. Here you can view all of your existing blog posts. You'll notice that the list is conveniently ordered, typically by the most recently updated posts at the top. This is designed to help you keep track of your latest content changes with ease. Now, to further refine your blog management, go ahead and click on Manage Blogs. This brings you to a dedicated section tailored specifically for overseeing all aspects of your blog. Within this management panel, you can add new blog entries, edit existing ones, or even categorize your posts under separate blog categories if your store supports multiple blogs. It's designed to give you all the tools you need for sharp, controlled management of your store's blog content. While you're in the management mode, explore the tools available for editing posts. You can change titles, update content, add images or media, and fine-tune SEO settings to enhance visibility. Always remember that a well-remodeled blog post can drive traffic to your store, so taking the time to properly manage this section can lead to meaningful results. Finally, once you've finished making any desired changes, remember to save your work. Shopify usually has a save option prominently placed within this section. It's crucial to save regularly to ensure that none of your work is lost. And there you have it. In a few intuitive steps, you've learned how to manage your blog posts within Shopify. By leveraging the comprehensive set of tools provided, you can effectively oversee your blog content and contribute to the overall success of your online store. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful Shopify tips and tricks.